You know when you're planning a vacation and you think to yourself, man, I wish I could do this for a living? Well, guess what? You totally can. We're going to break down exactly how you can turn that love for travel into a super flexible work-from-home career as a travel agent. And the best part? It is way easier to get started than you probably think.
This quote right here, this is the whole aha moment. It's all about flipping that switch in your brain. All that time you're already spending dreaming up getaways and planning trips, that's not just a hobby, it's a seriously valuable skill. This is about taking that passion and turning it into real money and some incredible travel opportunities.
So, what do you really need to jump in? If you're imagining this long list of special degrees or complicated certifications, just erase that from your mind. The single most important thing you need, the only real prerequisite, is something you already have: your passion. This right here busts one of the biggest myths out there. You do not need to be a walking encyclopedia of every single resort or cruise ship. Seriously, just focus on what you're already genuinely excited about. Your enthusiasm for Disney or for a certain cruise line. It's contagious. That's what builds trust and gets your clients just as excited to book with you. Okay, so if passion is the fuel, what are the actual practical skills you need to drive this career? Well, the good news is you're almost certainly already using them every single day.
This is a big one. It's probably the number one question people have. Do you need to be some kind of slick salesperson to actually make it in this industry? No, not at all. This isn't about high-pressure sales tactics. Think of yourself more like a vacation matchmaker. People are already excited about taking a trip. Your job is to just listen, to really understand what their dream vacation looks like, and then help them make it happen. When you do that, the booking is just the natural next step. It sells itself.
And what about all the tech stuff? Don't even worry about complex software. The reality is super simple. If you can book your own trip online, you've got all the tech skills you need. The systems are really user-friendly, and your day-to-day is going to be email, texting, and the phone. It's about being organized, not being some kind of coding genius. All right, now we get to talk about one of the most exciting parts of this whole thing, the perks. Because let me tell you, they are absolutely amazing. So first, let's learn a little bit of industry lingo. You're going to hear about FAM trips. It stands for familiarization, and it's pretty much what it sounds like. These are special trips where you get to experience destinations firsthand, often for free or at a massive discount, so you can become a real expert for your clients. And look, these aren't just some made-up examples. These are real opportunities. We're talking about getting on the newest ships from the biggest cruise lines, or getting an insider's look at Walt Disney World. This isn't just a fun little perk, it's hands-on research that makes your advice to clients absolutely priceless. And get this, on top of all that, you get to earn commission on your own family vacations. I mean, how cool is that? This brings us right back to that first idea, making your travel work for you. It's a fantastic personal benefit that really, really adds up. Okay, let's talk bottom line. Let's talk money. How much can you actually earn? And here's the beautiful part of this career. The answer really depends on you. You're in control. So, your earnings are based on commission. For something like a cruise, the typical range is somewhere between 10 and 16%. That's kind of the baseline number you'll be working with. So what does that percentage actually look like in real dollars? Well, let's break it down. Just booking one cruise for a family could put over $700 in your pocket. And look at how it can scale up. If you organize a group trip, say with 8 rooms, you could earn almost $4,000 from that one booking alone. Even just one trip a month can bring in a fantastic side income. So if all of this is sounding pretty good and you're feeling inspired, your next question is probably, okay, but how do I actually get started? Let's walk through a simple blueprint for success. Finding your first clients is a really natural process. You just start with your inner circle, friends and family who already trust your advice. From there, you branch out online, sharing your passion for travel on social media. And finally, you connect with your local community. You'd be surprised how many people would love to work with a local expert. Now, this is really important. Choosing the right host agency. This is a huge decision. You want to look for a true partner, a company that gives you great training, has reasonable fees, and offers tons of ongoing education, but without pressuring you with booking quotas. That support system is the foundation that's going to let your new business really take off. So, you see, it all comes back to that first idea. You've got the passion, you already have the skills. This is a career path with amazing flexibility, incredible perks, and the pure joy of sharing something you love.
The only real question left is it time for you to finally make your passion for travel start working for you?